Hello everyone. Today let's talk about transdermal drug delivery patches. A transdermal drug delivery system or TDDS consists of a substrate coated with self-adhesive mass along with a suitable drug. This novel drug delivery system is preferred nowadays as it offers many advantages over traditional oral solid dosage forms. Let us discuss some advantages of transdermal drug delivery patches. Number 1. It is preferred when oral drug administration is not possible because of profuse vomiting, acidity, stomach ulcer, or if the patient is unconscious. Secondly, in case of a transdermal patch, there is no need to take a medicine orally every few hours. Just stick the patch and you are good to go. It is preferred. Thirdly, transdermal drug delivery patches offer drug absorption at a steady, sustained rate. There is no dump dosing, so there is no risk of toxicity or overdosing in case of a transdermal patch. Number 4. In case of a transdermal drug delivery patch, the medication can be stopped at any time just by removing the patch. Number 5. Transdermal drug delivery patches offer a non-messy alternative to balms and creams and a more safe alternative to oral tablets and capsules. Transdermal patches are the most sophisticated and convenient way of drug delivery. According to their application, different types of patches include: Number 1. Locally acting transdermal patches. A locally acting transdermal patch affects only the area where it is applied. A typical example of locally acting transdermal patch is lidocaine patch, which acts locally by desensitizing the nerve endings. At number 2, we have systemically acting patches. Systemically acting patches deliver the drug via skin and the drug gets absorbed into the bloodstream. It then acts systemically just like an injection. Examples of systemic patches include diclofenac, ketoprofen patch, promethazine hydrochloride patch, and nicotine patch. An advantage of systemically acting patches is that they can be applied anywhere on the body. For example, diclofenac patch can be applied anywhere on the body irrespective of where one is feeling the pain. Another example is promethazine hydrochloride patch, also known as antiemetic patch. It is used to stop nausea and vomiting after application. Common uses are for motion sickness and travel sickness. The third type of patches are hot and cold patches. These work by rubefacient and counter-irritant action. Main application of these patches is to provide pain relief by stimulating the area where it is applied. These pain relief patches are used to relieve lower back pain, muscular pain, sprains, and strains. Examples include pain relief patches with essential oils, capsicum plaster, belladonna plaster, and lidocaine with menthol patch. Now let's look at some precautions to be followed when using transdermal drug delivery patches. Number 1. If any drug allergy or sensitivity is known, that patch should not be used. Number 2. Used patches should be disposed of properly so that children and pets do not have access to it. If applied or swallowed, it may have serious side effects. Number 3. Only one patch should be applied at a time unless otherwise specified on the packaging. Number 4. The time limit for which a patch has to be applied should be followed. For example, lidocaine patch is recommended to be applied for 12 hours, followed by a 12-hour off period. Number 5. If any skin reaction or irritation occurs, it must be discontinued and medical help should be taken. Number 6. In case of poisoning or overdose, contact your doctor or the poison control department immediately. Thank you everyone for listening. Please check the description for more information about us. Here is a small profile about our products.